Hello guys, so today I'm gonna introduce to you guys how to make a simple light sensor circuit. The first thing you need to have is a test board. Then you need to have a resistor which value at about 100k. Then a resistor. This resistor is BC547. Next, an LED light with 3 voltage. Finally, an LDR, aka light dependent resistor. Let's have a look at this circuit. Here we have the power supply, 9 voltage. This resistor works as a switch. When this circuit is in the dark, the value of this resistor go up, which means the voltage value also go up, and then it fits the demand of the transistor, making this transistor work, and is allow the electric flow to go through the resistor over there. Then the LED make it. Finally, it make a LED light. So let's see how it works. There we go. This circuit is in a dark place. So what will happen when we put it in the bright place? Let me turn on the light. Then, as you can see, an LED light go out. I put it in the dark once again. See, the lights of an LED bright. Then again, and again. And as you can see, this circuit is pretty easy to make with pretty cheap polymer and no hard to find. Here's how it goes. You can see. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you next time.